Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Vivint camera keeps going offline in 2026. Now, Vivint cameras do not work like normal Wi-Fi cameras. They connect through the Vivint Smart Hub application and not directly to your phone. So first of all, you need to check your panel and make sure that it is offline. If the panel is offline, all the cameras will also go offline. So you need to simply just restart your smart hub from the panel settings if needed. Now in your case, if the panel is working fine, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to simply check the Wi-Fi bridge or router link. So Vivint systems often use a Wi-Fi bridge in order to connect the cameras. So if the bridge loses the connection, your camera will drop offline. So you need to restart your router in this case and make sure that the bridge is powered and connected properly. You need to also check if your camera is receiving consistent power. Losing wiring or power interruptions can cause it to disconnect. If the camera restarts randomly, this is usually a power issue. You can also go to the Vivint panel and then you can check the device status. If the camera shows offline in it, you can try removing it and adding it again through the panel. This step is going to rebuild the connection between the camera and the system. Now, if the internet is overloaded, the camera feeds may disconnect. So make sure that you reduce the heavy usage and upgrade your internet plan if needed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, the issue still continues. It may be relating to the system configuration or firmware. So Vivint support can run diagnosis remotely and they can fix the deeper issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.